God, what a beautiful day it is today. The sun came out a while ago. The birds are singing. It's a lovely, peaceful morning here at Becco Towers. What perfect way to ruin that than to have a look at this Hoover Blaze. Yes, the very same Hoover Blaze that tried to set itself ablaze before. And we put this incredibly overkill cable on with a Dyson, oh no, wait, or a Vax, I don't know, its original end. Oh look, I even gave away a Legrand plug. That was silly. Oh dear, never mind, it's back. Something else wrong with it. Only thinks it's the motor. I'm hopefully confident it's something else. We're going to have a look, see if we can get this bucket of sick back into decent working order once more. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yes, we've moved offices since we last traded vacuum cleaners. We now sublet a floor of a shared office. There were some odd looks when we walked across the car park carrying a vacuum cleaner, chatting away as normal because, yeah, my colleagues think it was normal. Oh, this is familiar. This is the flex that I need to get some more of. I think it comes in Screwfix. Nice, rubbery flex is what I need to put on the old coffee can. Oh, we should swap this out. Oh. 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 Okay. That wasn't quite what I was expecting. I'll be honest. Oh, that is a little bit worrying. And I'll cut straight to the chase. I put my hand underneath it, and the brush roll is completely and utterly jammed. And I went, oh, mouth, the motor's probably spinning fine. She's just getting the smell and the smoke from the belt. But that was scary. Right. Well, let's pivot a little bit then. Oh, well, it doesn't smell on fire. You know, that would have been a blaze had it actually been burning. So this is a little bit interesting. I think the state of it. Okay, I'm going to get some tools. Phoenix stopped squawking, and yeah, we're going to have to strip this down now and see what the problem might be. Right, what's behind door number 1? Yeah, it's certainly seed solid. Oh, are you even going to come out? Uh-oh. What have you done? I need to go get my big screwdriver. Oh, there it is. What has happened here? It's all melted over the brush roll, which is, oh, hang on, that end spins. That isn't the alignment that you want to see on a brush roll. However, my immediate concern is what the heck is stopping the motor from spinning? The motor spins fine. Right, hang on. Can we get... I'm going to take the belt off and then we're going to turn it back on because I've never known that before. The motor was jammed from the brush roll. I just want to confirm that before we move on. Well, I had to take the hood off to get the belt out because there is just no clearance otherwise. And yeah, look, it's... Well, I'll say look. You won't see it there. She's been hot. Oh, I think the belt was just really good. And the little terrible rubbish, this is going to be an eco thing, isn't it? What are we on? 750, so not completely terrible. But yeah, there'll just be no torque in it to spin it off of the stuck belt. So we're going to just leave it there, really, and I'm going to run away, plug it in, and we'll check that the motor does indeed work okay enough. Right, okay. That's almost problem 1 solved, but I'm not going to lie, I think finding anything to replace this brush roll is going to be tricky. I've not even looked yet. We're gonna take the end cap off just to see what on earth has happened. Oh dear, it's all melted, look. Oh no. So this is scrap. Right now, I hope there's some being broken on eBay, because yeah, I can't even, it's all just gone, look. Even if I dug the brush roll out, the end cap is screwed, and this way doesn't spin very well either. So this is now literally like this. Depending on my eBay search, in the next 10 minutes when I have a coffee, it could go either way. Uh-oh. Keep you posted. We need to do something about that. So I went onto eBay and bought, well, it's the correct brush roll. Those machines aren't this one, although they probably are. Yeah, Hoover, 100% of what? Yeah, who knows? Here you go, rotating brushes. Come on. Oh, allows optimum cleaning of carpets and rugs. Enables optimum cleaning of treated. Ooh. Apparently this will work on hard floors. Excellent. The biggest thing of all, there you go, that's all you get, is that this brush roll, it is correct but different. It's got B2B bars on it now, and it turns. Unlike this one, which will never turn again, sadly. So, barring it being incorrect, which will either confirm or deny in a couple of seconds, we've best get this back together and reassembled and see if this improves matters. I think that is seated. I think the bits of melted plastic there will sort themselves out when it starts to spin. So now that that's done, we can put it all back together. I'm just taking the time making it look a little bit better with the help of some glass cleaner when, before I forget, look at the best dusting brush in the world. Look, I mean, crikey. Yeah, look, ever so delicate, nice, soft brushes. Crikey, I would do my TV with that. My delicate china, blimey, oh look, it actually comes off. Yeah, that's seen some use. I guess that'd be when the brush roll went, and bless her, trying to do anything. Well, I'm going to carry on, but yeah, didn't want to miss that. And with this thing now looking a fair bit better, bless it, it's not its fault. It's just not very good. Let's see what happens. I'm going to stick it on setting 2 because I don't know, really, this could be quite aggressive. Are we ready? Oof. Wow. Come from this way. Let's go down to 1. Where? That's just what this rug needed. Crikey, it feels soft. And yes, I have already cleaned the filter. Picture here. Oh my goodness. And I mean, I'm not going to bother, to be honest. Oh, no, we will have a quick look if I can. Oh, wow. I am quite impressed with that, actually. That's not too bad. Oh, okay. We will have a look at the filter. you go onto the laminate. We should be cleaning up in a minute anyway after. Oh wow, I literally had this clean. Now we're going to do it again. Oh no, whoa. Yeah, what a poxy pile of well-grooming trash these are. But this poxy pile of well-grooming trash, which has picked up a surprisingly good amount, is now done, fixed, sorted, ready to go back to its owner. All for the want of £17 of brand new parts, which is probably £13.50 more than this thing is worth. But hey ho, genuine Hoover part for our genuine Hoover, because it was like £2 more than just a pattern one. So why not? Makes it fun for this exact particular shot. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I, in some horrendous Hoover of some other description. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.